Hey guys, Chris here, also known as Mr. Thrifter, and I figured I'd make a video to explain to you guys how to fully utilize the Amazon sales ranks and how they work. This obviously is going to be a lot of preference and what works best for you, but it should be a very good guideline for pretty much anybody. And this goes for all types of market, or at least most types of marketplaces, and it works for every single type of category, and it's been updated for 2021. So let's just jump into this, okay? So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the website cleartheshelf.com and then go cleartheshelf.com/Amazon sales rank chart. And I put the link down below so you guys don't even have to really type anything in. So just open the link down below. It will bring you to this website. Now, when you're here at this website, it's going to show you a few different charts. The first chart it shows you is a US Amazon sales rank chart. So this is just for the US sales ranks. And then if you keep scrolling, it does Canada. So you have the Canadian marketplace right here. And then if you keep scrolling, it shows the UK marketplace as well. So you have Amazon sales ranks for the UK, Canada, and the States. So this is very good information to have, okay? And these charts are very good. So if you guys want, you could even right click and I think save as or save them as pictures. You could screenshot, whatever you want to do. Always have these, okay? Now these are all of these have been updated for January 1st, 2021, I believe, for at least the States and Canada and the UK. So they've all been updated to January 1st, 2021. Okay, so now you're probably looking at this chart and wondering, okay, how do I read this? So for me, and if you're someone like me who specializes in one category but want to know how it works for other categories as well, like for me personally, I sell mostly books on Amazon. So I know without even looking at a sales rank chart, I know that I try to keep under 1 million sales rank. And if you look at this chart here for the US, the top 3% up here, it says for books right here, it says that 1.8 million and under would be top 3%, or at least if you get a book for 1.8 million, that would be in the top 3%. And now I'll tell you right now, a lot of people, again, this is where the preference comes into play, but most people try to stay top, at least in the top 3%. They don't go over top 3%. There's some people I know who don't go over top 5%. So that's really up to you and how you want to judge on how long you want to wait for a product to sell. But I personally like to not go over 3%. So books for me, typically on average, I'm not saying that everything is going to be like a hard cutoff. There's some books I get that are 3.5 million sales rank or 4 million sales rank. It just depends on the item that you're getting, I guess. But with that said, this is a great tool to use to see what type of product you should pick up versus what type of product you should probably leave on the shelf. So, for example, if you're unfamiliar with automotive, you now know that, hey, if the sales rank you're seeing in the store that you're about to pick up and potentially buy is, under 100,000, that's probably a really good sign that it's a fast moving item versus, 2 million in automotive, it's probably not going to sell at all. So I would argue and say that like anything under 3% is worth picking up in my opinion for any category. Now this is great news to have because not only do you get this for the United States, but you also get this for Canadian sales ranks as well. So if you, I know there's a lot of Canadians who don't really have access to like Canadian sales ranks and don't really understand how it works. Well, this website, cleartheshelf.com, they actually have a full-on Amazon Canadian sales rank chart. So, I mean, this video is not sponsored by Clear the Shelf in any way. I've used this site before and it's very, very good. I find the sales rank numbers are very accurate. Of course, sales ranks fluctuate and they change almost every single day, but this is a great tool to use and you get it in multiple marketplaces. So I highly recommend you save these charts. And like I said, this is just updated in January 1st, 2021. Don't worry about, it's not like to the month accurate. You know, it's actually pretty common for people to use these charts well after a year after they've been screenshotted. So this is not even a year old. It's only a few months old at this point, and it's pretty recent. So a lot of these numbers are going to be very, very new, and they're very, very accurate. So there you have it, guys. These kinds of charts are going to really save you time in finding what products to buy and what not to buy, and it's really going to help you guys out in the long run. So if you guys like this video, please leave a comment, please let me know, please subscribe, and I'm going to keep making more tips and just show you guys all the ins and outs of how to sell on Amazon. So again, guys, thanks for watching.